So you have updated your firmware update on your NP5, NZ7, NZ8, NZ9, RS1100, RS2100, RS3100, and RS4100 as shown here. Now, after you get the firmware 2.0 installed, what should you do? Well, follow me. After watching about 20 or so movies in HDR, SDR, on Apple TV, on Kaleidoscape, on UB9000, I come up with my recommended settings for most people. This is not a calibration, this is just a recommended settings based on my taste. So this is simply preference over reference. But this is not done haphazardly. I still take color accuracy, tone mapping, and black level as accurately as possible. Without further ado, grab your remote, press menu, and you'll see this. Click down to picture mode, make sure you are under frame adapt HDR1, go down to more settings, press enter, choose dynamic control to mode 3, explain in my other video on the top right here, and then leave contrast to -3. I do this to have a little bit less white crushing, and also put color to number 4 to give a little bit of boost, a little bit of pop to your picture. Go back out from there. You go down to HDR processing, make sure you are under frame by frame, and then all the way down to HDR optimizer, press enter, and make sure you are using auto wide. This gives you a brighter image compared to normal. Normal, wide. There you go. So that's it. Enjoy your projector with the new firmware 2.0. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.